Welcome to my channel, The Learning Tube. Today we will start a new lesson of chemistry, CBSE Board Class 10, Chapter 1, Chemical Reaction and Equation. This is the part 1 video and the next video will be coming very soon. So please like and subscribe our channel to get more updates. Now, what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction are the process in which the substance with new properties are formed. In this process, the substance which take part in chemical reaction are called reactants. The products are the substances which are formed by the reaction with a reactant in a chemical reaction. Therefore, we can say in a chemical reaction, reactants are transformed into products. An example of a chemical reaction is the burning of magnesium in presence of air to form magnesium oxide. An experiment I have given over here that you can see clean Mg ribbon with sandpaper and with help of tongue introduced it into the flame, and what we observe that Mg burns, giving out white dazzling flame, and white powder of MgO is formed, and therefore we can say Mg burns in presence of air and combines with oxygen to form MgO, that is magnesium oxide. Number 2, you can see collect the white powder, that is the MgO powder, in watch glass and add few drop of water to it. Then dip the pH paper or red litmus strip into the solution. You will see that the strip turns blue in color. The pH paper turns into blue, which shows MgO is basic in nature. Next we will learn the important characteristic features of chemical reaction. Number 1 is change in color. Some chemical reactions are characterized by changing in color. The chemical reactions that form between citric acid and purple colored potassium permanganate solution shows the changing in color from purple to colorless solution. Some chemical reaction also characterized by evolution of hydrogen gas. The chemical reaction taking place between zinc and dilute sulfuric acid shows evolution of hydrogen gas. I have given one equation below. Zinc plus sulfuric acid dilute or aqueous solution reacts to form zinc sulfate along with evolution of hydrogen gas. Next we will learn the formation of precipitate. Some chemical reactions are also characterized by the formation of precipitate. Now what is precipitate? The solid substance or solid product that separate out from solution during any chemical reaction are called precipitate. Next we will learn the example of precipitate. The chemical reaction taking place between potassium iodide and lead nitrate are formed a yellow precipitate of lead iodide. Equation given below. PbNO3 whole twice plus 2Ki, that is potassium iodide, forms PbI2 lead iodide along with potassium nitrate. This is the PPT or precipitate of yellow lead iodide I have given for you all. Just look at this picture. Another characteristic feature is changing in temperature. One example I have given, that is quicklime and water reacting with each other to form slaked lime, which shows a temperature change. The experiment given below. Take a quicklime in a hard glass beaker and add a little amount of water slowly. Touch the beaker, you will feel hot. This experiment shows changing in temperature. Next we will learn change in state. Some chemical reactions are also showing changing in state. Just for example, when we burn a wax, then it forms water and gives out carbon dioxide. Now wax was liquid whereas carbon dioxide was gas. This was physical state changes from solid to liquid and gas. So viewers, I have completed the part 1 of this chapter. Next video we will learn about the balancing equation and we will complete the rest of the chapters. So please, if you like my video, do subscribe, share and like my channel to get more video updates. Thank you.